Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for comprehensive tech product reviews. Today, we're diving into the Trident Z5 Neo RGB DDR5-6000 C30. A high-performance memory kit that's a perfect fit for AMD's Ryzen 7000 processors. Let's find out if this memory kit is worth the investment. The Trident Z5 Neo RGB DDR5-6000 C30 is a top-notch DDR5 memory kit that offers impressive performance without breaking the bank. Designed specifically for AMD's Ryzen 7000 processors, it comes with AMD's Expo one-click overclocking profiles, making it a great choice for AMD enthusiasts. As DDR5 memory becomes mainstream, there are now several options available for consumers. The Trident Z5 Neo RGB DDR5-6000 C30 stands out with its impressive specifications and competitive pricing. With a CAS latency as low as 30, it offers faster performance compared to earlier DDR5-6000 kits with CL40. In terms of design, the Trident Z5 Neo RGB memory modules sport a sleek heat spreader with a matte black exterior, a black brushed aluminum inset, and silver highlights. The modules feature a streamlined RGB light bar that can be customized using the G.Skill Trident Z lighting control software, or your motherboard software, such as Asus AuraSync, Gigabyte RGB Fusion 2.0, MSI Mystic LightSync, or ASRock Polychrome Sync. G.Skill's Trident Z5 Neo RGB DDR5-6000 C30 kit consists of two 16GB memory modules with a single rank design. The modules use SK Hynix H5CG48MEBDX014 integrated circuits, which are popular among memory vendors. The power management IC is sourced from Richtech. The memory kit comes with an Expo profile that allows it to run at DDR5-6000, with timings of 30, 38, 38, 96 and a DRAM voltage of 1.35 volts. In our testing, the Trident Z5 Neo RGB performed admirably on both Intel and AMD test systems, delivering solid application and gaming performance. Overclocking the Trident Z5 Neo RGB DDR5-6000 C30 is relatively straightforward, thanks to the SK Hynix MDI ICs. We were able to achieve a stable overclock to DDR5-6200 by increasing the DRAM voltage to 1.4 volts and adjusting a few timings. In terms of pricing, DDR5 memory is still evolving, but the Trident Z5 Neo RGB DDR5-6000 C30 starts at $179.99, which is quite competitive in the current market, considering its excellent performance and premium design. It's a solid choice for AMD's 600 series platform. And that concludes our review of the Trident Z5 Neo RGB DDR5-6000 C30 memory kit. With its impressive performance, sleek design, and AMD compatibility, it's definitely a standout option for Ryzen 7000 processors. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth tech reviews. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and as always, stay tech savvy.